Oz in June, and in terms of her particular program. What I like about her program is that she leads by example. Before, I wasn't so confident in terms of charging high amounts. Like, I think I was charging maybe 4K at the time, but she expanded the horizon. Now I'm making 10K offers. Now I'm also stepping into my power, serving coaches, particularly female coaches I work with quite a lot, in terms of my energy, who I attract. And also she was very keen to step up and show who you are in terms of your unique edge, what makes you you, to not try and copy anyone else. And my vibe has become my tribe, in essence. She's also helped to increase my bottom line by 10,000 plus per month in terms of some of the techniques that she's been helping with me. And I think that, working with her, I've stepped into my power. So if you need, someone to be practical and to lead from the front and to show you what's possible with no limitations, especially with female coaches as well, because often there's limitations, maybe thinking you can't charge or you can't step into your power. I think Ozin's the best in the market for that, and she will help you. Hope that's been useful. It's been Udeh.